Okay, I have no idea if you can hear this because my mic audio is like, I don't know, the plug-in part to my mic is like messed up, so I don't know if you can hear, but I'm gonna be trying to do like the jumbo Coi Leray type knotless braids on my hair, the red hair I had on that black wig from my graduation video, if you saw that. But I'm gonna be fixing this. I washed it and put product in it. It's like very greasy, and yeah, so I'm gonna be trying to do it. I'm gonna try to record as best as I can so that you guys can see me try. Like, this will be the second time that I've tried like the big jumbo knotless braids. I did it the other time also, my hair was ginger, but I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna try my best to record it so y'all can see. But with all that being said, ugh, I look crusty. I did just wake up, but let's just get into the video. Okay, I'm back. I know I look crazy. My hands are like getting stained red. But I parted my hair. I just put these little rubber bands to like separate the sections that I'm gonna have. So I'm doing them a little bit bigger than I did the other ones. So hopefully this should take me less time. I think it took about 20 minutes to part it and section it and stuff in the mirror. And now I'm gonna do a few off camera, and then I'll be back to show you guys what I came up with. Okay, so I did like 4 in the back. Some of them came out good, some came out bad. I left the ends with the rubber band so I can curl them, but I'm gonna just try to show you this one that I'm about to do. So yeah, it might be a little struggle, but
this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie getting made. You too hard, don't stand too close. Don't fuck around the ground. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care why I go. Long as I get paid. Bad little fire, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time. This ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie getting made. Every other night another dollar getting made. Every other night started with a good day. Don't feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. Every dancing in the dollar, this shit is a parade. I don't want your train, I'm gon' want another slave. I had that Jordan, not too many bitches getting saved. Tears in the resin, so I took a private plane. He pussy nigga like it when I'm walking on my aim. You too hard, charge it to the car, design it to the ground, I get balance by the name. You too hard, cousin on the floor, you gon' follow in the sun. You gon' fuck around the town, off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little life, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. You too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town, off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little life, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. This ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. You too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the ground.
okay, I'm back. I only have 2 left. I was using this jam, and I was using this hair.
This way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road. no surprise. Every other night another movie came made. Juice, water, stand too close. Don't fuck around the ground. Off this way, doing all the shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fire, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie came made. Every other night another dollar get made. Every other night started with a good day. Don't feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this shit is a parade. I don't want your chain, I'm gon' want another slave. I had that Jordan, not too many bitches getting saved. See this in the resident, so I took a private plane. He pussy nigga like it when I'm working on my aim.
Oh, let me zoom out. Okay, this is the finished look. Now the ends aren't done, so I'm gonna go boil those and I'm gonna show y'all the ends and I'll be back. Finished look. These are the ends. And yeah, another video very soon. Oh yeah, the edges are done. They don't look that great, but it'll be alright. But yeah. Okay, I'm back. Actually, I lied. This is the finished look with like the makeup and the hair. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, see y'all in the next one. You see me.